Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Harry's Hot Rod Garage. Today we have Henry and his 1935 Chevy Street Rod. It's absolutely beautiful. Wait till you see the paint on this thing. It's clean inside, outside, and underneath. So he's coming right up. I'm waiting for him right now. He should be coming down the driveway any minute. And after that, we got a couple good ones coming up this week. We're going to go see Larry and his 69 Camaro. It's one sweet ride. So I think I hear him coming now. But anyway, just remember to give me a thumbs up and to smash that like button. And have a good day. And remember, thank the veteran today. Take care. Welcome to another episode of Harry's Hot Rod Garage. Today we have Henry here. How you doing, Henry?
All right, Harry. Good to see you.
Good to see you, buddy.
Thanks
for sharing your time and your car with us. Look at this beautiful paint, you guys. This is a, what, 35 Chevy?
35 Chevy.
It's absolutely beautiful. Tell me a little bit about the paint.
Atomic Orange. I believe it's a 2010 Corvette color.
2010? Oh, okay.
Atomic
2010.
Orange.
It's absolutely beautiful. Boy, that glitter in here, it's absolutely great. Okay, Henry, you just told me something that I didn't know about this car, so tell me all about it.
This is a 35 Chevy Standard. They made a coupe that year, and this was the last year for this kind of body style. And Chevrolet has a lot of wood in them, and that's why a lot of guys like the Fords and everything. The first year that they didn't have any wood was 1937, if I'm right. So if you look underneath the doors and stuff, there's wood in there.
Okay, and this is an all-steel car.
This is an all-steel car.
So like they say, if it isn't steel, it's not real. This is real deal here.
There's a lot of them have fiberglass fenders.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
This is
I didn't know that. Very nice. Now tell me, your wheels. What kind of wheels you have on there? They're really pretty.
They're Coddington wheels.
Okay.
Got Willwood brakes.
Willwood disc brakes are great. What size tires are they? You know, they're like 15 or 16.
There's I think there's 17s on the front and 18s on the back.
Oh, okay, really nice. Yeah, we'll check out that engine compartment as we go back.
Yep.
So this is all steel. Boy, look at the sun hitting that paint. I'll tell you, you got to really appreciate this paint job on this car. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's walk around the back here and check this out. I really like these taillights. Are they factory like that, or were they a different way?
Original taillights, and I learned more about the car as time went on, and I was thinking about putting 37 Ford taillights, and everybody's got 37 Ford, and they look nice.
Yeah.
But I found out that it's like a badge of honor. I didn't care for those, and it's like a badge of honor if you got the real taillights.
Oh, okay.
Because they're like kind of pricey if you can find them.
Oh, really?
And here I had them, and
well, then you better keep them babies on there. Yeah, they're really nice.
Leave them on there.
Whoever did this paint did an absolutely beautiful job, I'll tell you. Really like this. Let me just walk around here.
Yeah.
We'll do the interior, and then we'll do the engine compartment.
Yeah.
Is that an air vent on top of the up by the firewall there that you can flip open?
No, I think that's been permanently because of the air conditioning.
Oh, okay. I got you.
It would have some mechanism in there.
Boy, his grill is absolutely beautiful. These headlights, I like them too. They're really nice. Now, Henry, is this an all original frame and everything like that?
No, it's got a modern frame. It's got a Downs chassis underneath of it. It's where I bought it. They told me it was a Mercedes rack and pinion.
Oh, rack and pinion. Ah.
I don't know, but it's all chrome. Underneath of it's all stainless.
Oh, really?
Chrome and everything. It's got boiler exhaust on it. It's made to go.
Well, that's good. Does it go?
It goes.
Well, maybe we'll go for a little ride later.
Right, we can do that.
Okay. Okay, Henry, we're going to talk about this beautiful interior. Let me tell you.
Well, it's got Mercedes carpeting. It's got leather. It's a leather. The air conditioner vents is, transmission, I guess, is a standard Chevy, what came in them.
Okay, you said it's a 4-speed with overdrive, right? 4-speed automatic?
It's a
4L60. Oh boy.
Well, it's electronic transmission.
This thing was done right. It's really unique. And that armrest is really neat looking too.
Yeah, the armrest draws a lot of
Cool.
attention, and it's nice to ride that when you're a place to put your arm.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And everything in here for the key and for the air conditioning and the radio and
everything's
the headlight switch.
Right in there. That's
it's
really
all
neat.
put in there where it's hidden.
That's unique. That's really cool.
There's a little lock on it like that.
Oh, okay.
And,
very nice. Very nice. You even got a custom headliner. I like that. Everything looks so nice in here.
yeah, the trunk's done the same way. When
Looks very good.
in the trunk, it's done the same as the interior. It's all leather.
Well, do you mind if we look at the trunk?
No.
Okay. Well, let's check out this trunk. I don't see no key for it or button.
Well, it's electric.
Oh, automatic. Look at this guy.
As long as you're not in any hurry, because it takes a
Little time,
to get
yeah.
up there, but it's old just like me.
We're all getting there, buddy. This is really unique. This is really nice.
By the time you put a couple chairs in there when you go to a show, there's not a lot of room for anything else.
Yeah, but
doesn't really have that big of a trunk.
yeah, you can put a couple chairs. You can put a couple
Yeah, a couple chairs.
sodas or bottles of water and a little cooler in there. You're in good
That's
shape.
all you need anyway.
Yeah. And is this here? Is that your gas tank?
That is.
Oh, okay.
I
Fills
think it holds
right there.
12 gallons.
Okay, that's good. Well, what kind of engine do you have in this thing?
This has got a GM Performance Parts 383 stroker.
Oh,
Port
okay.
injected.
Oh boy.
It's it dynoed at 452 horsepower and 474 foot-pound of torque. So
This thing scoots.
It would probably be better to suit to tow a boat or something like that with all that torque.
Very nice.
But that's what you feel on the seat of your pants.
Okay, we're going to check that out now. Hey Henry, how about if we take a peek of your engine?
Sure.
Okay, let's check this baby out.
I did this one a little different. The other cars I've had have had a lot of billet, a lot of chrome and everything, and I just wanted to do something different. So I just wanted black.
It looks really good, man.
It's not real flashy or anything. It kind of looks a little industrial, but
Hey, it looks
that's
nice.
the look I was looking for.
Well, that's great. You got headers on this thing. You got the air conditioning. You got a fan on, electric fan on your radiator there. Looks very nice. Yeah, I bet this thing scoots because it doesn't weigh very much.
2,800 pounds.
Oh, yeah? Very nice. Well, how about if we saddle up and go for a ride?
I think we can do that.
All right,
It'd be a
buddy.
good day for a ride.
Sounds good. Okay, Henry, start this bugger up. We'll go for a ride around the block. Boy, that thing sounds good. You don't need no radio in this thing.
No, it's got a radio.
Listen to them, baby.
But I never listened to it. I haven't turned it on once or twice just to see if it worked.
Yeah. This is
It's
nice.
making music right now for
That's
me.
right. This kind of music I like too.
Music I like. It don't really ride like a modern car. It don't ride bad, but
Nah, that doesn't
it's
really
88 years old.
Guess what? You can buy it. If you wanted to ride good, you'd buy a Cadillac. Boy, that paint looks great.
Let's check out the bottom of this mean machine.
give Harry a thumbs up.
Hey Henry, you're a crowd pleaser, buddy. Thanks for bringing your car out today and sharing it with us. Have a good day, everybody. And remember, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next episode of Harry's Hot Rod Garage.